Hi, my name is Mason Hewitt, and I'm a junior studying electrical engineering at NC State, and this is my review of two major paper corporations in Georgia Pacific and Kimberly Clark, and how useful the websites are for finding career opportunities. My presentation goals are to compare the home screens of both websites and how user-friendly they are on first impression. Then, I would like to navigate to career opportunities to look at the electrical engineer positions available. Finally, I would like to determine which website has the best graphics, user interface, and ease of navigation available. My first impression of the Georgia Pacific home screen is that the home screen is very informative with welcoming pictures behind popular links. Another popular aspect among many large corporations is to include a woman in the workplace to promote inclusion, which we can see here. For ease of navigation, Georgia Pacific has provided several links at the top of the page to navigate to frequently visited information. Overall, this page is very effective and will help the user navigate to the information they desire. My first impression of the Kimberly Clark home screen is that the home screen is very bright and welcoming, with a picture of a smiling worker as the focal point. Another interesting aspect of this homepage is the inclusion of the statement about the current COVID-19 pandemic. Like Georgia Pacific, Kimberly Clark also showcases a woman working in a factory to promote inclusion. This homepage also has several links at the top to help the user navigate to their preferred area of choice. My favorite part of the page is the inclusion of the 175 countries, which is roughly 1/4 of the world that rely on Kimberly Clark every day. Overall, this homepage is very effective and welcoming. After looking at the two homepages, it is clear that Georgia Pacific has a better layout than Kimberly Clark, which makes them more visually appealing. On the contrary, Kimberly Clark has more information readily available about the company's relevance in the world. Both companies include a picture of women in the workplace to promote inclusion. Both companies also have the necessary links at the top of the page. At this point, the two websites are very similar, and there is not a clear winner. Now we move on to navigating to electrical engineering job information. For Georgia Pacific, this is a fairly simple process that starts with clicking on the Careers tab and then scrolling to Engineering Jobs. This will take you to a new page that has several engineering jobs listed below. At the top of the page is a section titled Electrical Engineers, and you should click on Visit Our Electrical Engineering Jobs. That brings us to a new page that is completely devoted to electrical engineering. At the top of this page is a video titled Who is Georgia Pacific? This is a very informative video that helps answer questions about what Georgia Pacific does and how devoted they are to their employees. Scrolling down the page, you will see three main topics, which include answers to the three most common questions about a new job, which are a typical workday, what you will need, and what will put you ahead. Overall, this process was very smooth and efficient for the user. Moving on to Kimberly Clark. For navigating to the electrical engineering job information, you should click on Careers, then go to Career Areas, and that will take you to a completely different page. From here, you will see many options which include Research and Engineering. After clicking on Research and Engineering, you'll go to a new page that has information on this topic where you will need to click View Jobs. This again will bring you to a different page which has a job search engine, and you need to refine the search by clicking on the Research and Engineering box. Now you will see many options that are related to electrical engineering. Clicking on the basic title, Electrical Engineer, will bring you to a job description that I found very bland with little formatting. The description does answer two main questions about responsibilities and qualifications, but even they are hard to find because they don't have clear headings. Overall, this process was much longer than the other, and once you get to the information, it isn't as good as the information from Georgia Pacific. The navigation comparison was a landslide in favor of Georgia Pacific. Georgia Pacific's process was much simpler and very fast, and it led to very important and relevant information. Kimberly Clark's process was much longer and the information that you ultimately got to wasn't as good as the information from Georgia Pacific. After looking at both websites' homepage and the navigation process to the electrical engineering job title, there should be a clear winner. And the winner is Georgia Pacific. Finally, here's a list of the sources that I used to get the information, and I hope you enjoyed this comparison between the two websites. Thank you.